solving average cubes within all my other cubes. I have 4 to test out, so this is going to be part 1, and yeah, here we go. Back to the recording process. Bang. Stop complaining. Okay, I found a good location that works, kind of. So let's just test this out, okay? Today we're going to be using the 356 RS V1, and I don't expect to get some good times, okay? Let's do the animation thing. Okay, here we go. That was painful. First time today, 29, okay? Second round. Okay, that was better. Last time, here we go. That was good. Okay, that was good. Yep. Okay, adding up the average, here we go. We got 26.34. That's for the 356, okay? You're welcome.